Today I want to talk about very important topics discussion with you. Let's me check. So I want to talk about top five online earning website in the world without investment. So let's check out online earnings website is the easiest way to earn money in today's digital world. There are many more possibilities of using tools and services that will give you another way to earn money from your home. Most of these are through online websites or mobile applications, which is the preferred source of quick income. We highly recommended some websites because they are the most reliable, legal, simple, and worthy of online making money. So, list of some trusted online earning websites for you. Number one, Freecash. Freecash.com is one of the best websites to make money online. You can earn money on filling out surveys, completing tasks, signs, sync apps or playing games. User already earned $5 lakh. So then listing number two, Essence online service is a good way to earn from the medium of internet. On the internet you will find a company that offers this kind of work. So number three is listed out Amazon Associates. So you can easily earn money by becoming an Amazon affiliate. As you all know, Amazon is a very big e-commerce website, therefore the possibility of its product being sold is also high. You can create your Amazon Associates account for free by visiting. So now list for number one, Upwork is one of the best money earning sites that gives you lots of tools to make money from the internet. Is the fastest and simplest way. So and number five is Fiverr. Find the perfect freelancer services for your business. Fiverr is a freelancing online earning website that promotes professionals like logo design, social media posters, voiceovers, typing work, etc. for various companies and clients. So it is the easiest way to earn money, starting from a $5 gig, out of which $1 is just by Fiverr for using the service.